Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have a new laptop to review on my desk. This is the Asus ZenBook UX430. It's an ultra portable, lightweight and a travel friendly laptop. It's a new addition to their ZenBook lineup and comes with an 8th gen i7 processor and a discrete Nvidia GeForce MX 150 graphics. I'm quite excited to unbox and check it out. Let's see what's written on the box. You've got the product info and the model of the laptop here. The model we are reviewing today is UX430UN. There's nothing else written on it. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review purpose. On opening the box, we have another box inside, which is the actual box of the laptop. So the ZenBook comes in this slim box. You've got the model written over here, a picture of the laptop. It comes in 4 colors. I've got the blue color with nil finish and the Asus branding at the bottom. Let's check out the specs of this Ultrabook. The model number is UX430UN. This is the royal blue model. It has a 14-inch Full HD Nano Edge LCD display, has an i7-8550U CPU, Nvidia GeForce MX 150 graphics with 2GB of VRAM, has a 512GB M.2 SSD and comes with 8GB of RAM. So these were the specs of this laptop. Now let's open the box and check it out. On opening the box, we have the laptop right at the top. It comes nicely packed in this cotton bag. And whoa guys, it feels very light in the hand. Just weighs about 1.25 kgs. Alright, let's keep it aside for now and see what else we had in the box. You get a USB to LAN port dongle, micro HDMI to HDMI dongle, some paperwork which includes a user manual and a warranty card, a power adapter for charging the laptop, and a mains card for the adapter. So these were all the items you got in the package. Let's keep the box aside and check out the laptop. So here is the Asus ZenBook UX430. Wow, just look at the laptop guys. It looks so beautiful. The glass-like finishing gives it a very premium look. Asus calls it nil finish, which is a crystal-like coating that's achieved through nano imprint lithography. And also look at the thickness. It's only 1.59 centimeters. That's quite thin for a laptop. And it weighs only about 1.25 kgs. The top panel of this Ultrabook is completely made of glass and has a silver Asus logo at the center. On the left side, you've got a DC in port, a super speed USB 3.1 port, a micro HDMI port, a headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. On the right side, you've got a power LED indicator, a charging indicator, SD card slot, and USB 2.0 port. And this is how the bottom looks like. You've got 4 rubber foot pads and 2 speakers that are tuned by Harman Kardon. So you're getting 2 down-firing speakers on this Ultrabook. We'll test them out later and see how they sound like. Okay, now let me open the laptop and show you how it looks like. The body of the laptop is completely made of metal, except the top panel which is made of glass. The ZenBook also has a fingerprint sensor on it, so you can have one-touch access with Windows Hello. You've got the Harman Kardon branding here, the Asus logo, and this is its 14-inch Full HD Nano Edge display. The bezels on this laptop are very thin. It has an 80% screen to body ratio. At the top of the display, you've got a HD webcam and few sensors beside that. Coming to the trackpad, it has a high precision glass trackpad that feels buttery smooth while using. It's very accurate, has no dead zones, supports multi-finger gestures and also handwriting. The buttons are also of good quality, they feel nice and clicky. Now this laptop also has a fingerprint scanner at the top right corner of the trackpad. It was accurate and was working fine almost 80% of the time. And this is how the keyboard looks like. The ZenBook is equipped with a full-size backlit keyboard. The backlit lighting gives it a very nice look, but it only glows in white color. The brightness can also be adjusted by using the FN buttons. Let me show you. It's got 3 steps and can be increased or decreased by F3 and F4 buttons. And talking about the comfort, the keyboard is really good. It's got a key travel of 1.4 mm and the quality of the keys is very nice. They feel really soft and clicky when pressed. And this is how gorgeous the display on it looks like. It's got a 14-inch Full HD Nano Edge LED backlit display. Let me just play a video and show you how it looks like. The display has a super narrow bezel of only 7.18 mm on the sides, and I have to say, it looks stunning. It has a 100% sRGB color gamut. The colors, the contrast, the white balance, everything looks nice. This is one of the best displays I've seen on a laptop till now. Just have a look at this sample clip. The viewing angles are also good. It has a 178 degree wide viewing angle. The display looks the same no matter from where you view it. And on top of that, it has a matte anti-glare coating on it which cuts down a lot of annoying reflections. Now let's talk about the performance. I've ran Geekbench 4 on it and here are the scores. This laptop has a good processor. It comes with the 8th gen i7-8550U CPU. It can handle any task you throw at it, like browsing the web, streaming videos, Photoshop, and even full HD video editing. This laptop can do all those things without any struggle. And coming to the gaming performance, well, first of all, let me tell you, this is an Ultrabook. It's not a gaming laptop, so guys, please don't compare it with them. Generally, these Ultrabooks are made travel friendly with optimal performance and do not have dedicated GPUs, but this one here has a discrete Nvidia GeForce MX 150 with 2GB of VRAM, so you can actually play graphic intensive games on it at 1080p resolution. I'll be showing you the gaming performance in a moment. So let's play Battlefield 1 and see how it handles the game. I'm right now playing the game at 1080p in low graphic settings, and as you can see, it's doing a good job. On an average, I was getting around 30 to 35 frames per second, and if you play the game at 720p in high graphic settings, you'll get about 50 to 60 frames per second. So yes, you can have a good 720p gaming experience on this laptop. Let me tell you about the speakers on it. The speakers were good, they were producing clear and good quality sound, but since they were downfiring, the audio was getting suppressed in most of the situations. Talking about the heat, if you use it only for simple tasks like browsing, streaming, or any other light task, then there's no problem. But if you play games, it definitely gets quite hot after 15 to 20 minutes in the region above the keyboard. Now coming to the battery life, it has a 50 Wh lithium polymer battery and the battery life was decent. If you use this laptop for browsing the web, watching videos on YouTube and stuff like that at 50% brightness, then you'll get about 7 to 8 hours of battery life. But if you play games on it or use it for video editing, then you'll get only about 2 to 3 hours depending on your usage. So that was my review on the ASUS ZenBook UX430UN. It's an amazing Ultrabook, looks very stylish and premium. It's lightweight, offers good performance with decent battery life. The only thing that was missing is a Thunderbolt port on it. It's a quite expensive laptop, and how can it not come with a Thunderbolt? Come on ASUS, you should have provided that. And one more thing I felt was, the price could have been a bit lower. But apart from that, it's a very good laptop. It costs about 92,000 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.